So recently I went into one of my favorite clothing stores, Stein Mart, to shop for a few items because they announced that sadly the store was closing. And so I went in there, and oftentimes stores that are closing, they'll have merchandise very discounted. And so I found a pair of Levi jeans. These are originally I think $50 or $60 jeans, but they have a little problem. As you can see, these pair of jeans, they are missing a loop. This loop is broken off, and so because of that, I guess they couldn't sell these, and so they wanted to list them at a very steep discount. And so I paid $13 for these. They originally are $69, and so I got a very good deal on these. They fit perfect. The condition is great everywhere else except for this little belt loop. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that. So to get this button back on, first you're going to need a sewing machine. The next thing you're going to need is some matching thread, and then finally you're going to need a needle to hold the belt loop in place. So now that the sewing machine is wound up, I'm going to take the pants, and basically all we're going to do is take this broken piece, put it up where it's supposed to be, and then I'm going to grab this little needle right here, and I'm just going to stick that through there so that it's held in place, and we're going to just dart across here. So one thing I want to say, when you are doing this, try to line it up as accurately as possible with the original line that's under there. There's kind of one right there. Then we're just going to we're going to stitch that way, then we're going to stitch that way, then we're going to stitch that way, then we're going to stitch that way. Just a few times to lock in the stitch. So I'm actually going to back it out, and I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to try to lower it down because it is a little bit higher than the line that's already there. There's the final stitch. I am happy with the way that it turned out. I think this works, and I think it looks good. It's just very clean. Again, I redid it to just line it along here, but again, it's tight. You can pull it, and it's not coming any loose. So guys, here's the final product. As you can see, this is now a solid hole. You can thread a belt loop in between there, and so the goal has been completed to get this back on here. But again, don't be afraid to buy something that is heavily discounted because, say, a belt loop, or it has a little bitty hole, because oftentimes those simple things can be sewed back together. So guys, that's today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you did so, please be sure to hit the like button. Also go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications so that you get notified whenever we release a new video here at Gent Style. With that being said, I'm Robert, this is Gent Style, and I will see you guys in the next video.